Hey everyone, Technomentary here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate eSIM on your Android phone. So let's get started. So first thing is you want to go ahead into your setting by swiping up, and then you get to your setting menu here. And from your settings here, you're going to click on connections up top. Now once you click on connections, you're going to see a menu like this, and you'll see a SIM manager. So let's tap on SIM manager. And this is where you can add eSIM. As you can see here, currently I don't have any SIM, but I can go ahead and add one by simply clicking on that plus icon, and it's going to search for eSIM if it's close by. So what will happen is if it doesn't find any close by one, usually it can detect it from another device if it's close by. If it doesn't, you can do is scan QR code. So you can take a QR code and then you can scan it to add an eSIM card. This QR code is not valid, so it's not going to come up here. But basically, you'll get this QR code from your carrier. So whenever you create an account with them or set up a mobile plan, they'll give you this information which you can scan on your phone. They'll probably email it to you or send it on another device. So open it up another device, maybe your laptop or computer. That way you can go ahead and scan it on this device here. Now, as you can see here, this one, I'm not able to enter that, but you can go ahead and add any SIM just like that. Very simple and easy to do. So if you don't have a eSIM here, just ask your phone provider or service carrier to give you or send you that QR code specifically. Now, if they can't send you the QR code specifically, there's also the numbers that you might be able to get. Sometimes there's numbers that come with it, so you want to get that as well, and you'll be able to activate it. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your Android phones and iPhones as well. We'll see you guys next time.